Welcome back to NeoFactory Process. Behind me is a facility that produces 2.2 billion servings a day.
For over 130 years, they've guarded a secret formula so valuable, it's locked in a steel vault in Atlanta.
But today, we aren't just looking at the recipe. We are going inside the restricted manufacturing line. Let's get to work.
Before the secret formula touches it, the water must be stripped of all character. This activated carbon filter is essential, as it removes chlorine and organic impurities from the water base.
The water is forced through these membranes, which function as a highly effective molecular sieve.
We remove the air because it interferes with the carbonation process, ensuring perfect consistency.
Oxygen causes foaming during filling. We must remove it now to run at high speeds later.
Access granted. Welcome to the syrup room, where we prepare the concentrated heart of Coca-Cola Classic.
Welcome to the heart of the operation, the syrup room. As you can see, hygiene is paramount here as we move into phase 2, syrup preparation.
This is the concentrate.
The agitator ensures a consistent blend, maintaining the precise Brix level or sugar content.
This acid is strong enough to clean rust off metal, but here, it balances the massive sugar content.
CO2 dissolves best in cold liquid. The mixture is chilled to near freezing.
"20 bottles are filled every single second.
If the bottle is wet, the label glue won't stick, and the cardboard box will dissolve.
Humans don't touch the finished pallets. Laser-guided vehicles navigate using reflectors on the walls.
Welcome to the dark warehouse. It holds 50,000 pallets. It operates in total darkness to save electricity because robots don't need light.
The WMS tracks every single bottle. It ensures FIFO, first in, first out, so no Coke sits longer than 48 hours.
It takes just 20 minutes to load a 40-foot trailer.
Despite the $1 billion in robots, the final test is human.
They keep 10 bottles from every batch for 1 year. If a customer complains in 6 months, they can test the reference sample.
Every 24 hours, production stops. The CIP system blasts acid, caustic soda, and steam through every pipe to sterilize the line.
This process is happening simultaneously in 900 factories across 200 countries right now.
We came looking for the secret formula. We didn't find the paper.
But we found the real secret. It's not just the ingredients, it's the insane engineering that makes this taste exactly the same in Tokyo, New York, and London.
That level of consistency, that is the hardest manufacturing challenge on Earth.
If you respect the engineering, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm find more factories.
And subscribe to NeoFactory Process. We are the only ones taking you inside the prohibited zones.
Where do we go next? The spicy hell of the Tabasco factory? Or the high-security gold refineries of Switzerland?
Vote in the comments below. Every single one.
I'm your name. Stay curious.